This is when velocity matters most. Elite brokers work Memorial Day differently. While competitors chase leads manually, they deploy AI that scores buyers by Sunday morning and books Tuesday appointments on autopilot. Systems close deals when you're offline. BoatLife.ai runs the follow-up. You close the sale. Elite brokers prepped in April. Average ones scramble now. The gap isn't pricing, it's systems. Top brokers run AI lead scoring and auto follow-ups all weekend. Prospects wait 4 hours. They're already talking to someone else. BoatLife.ai separates brokers who sell boats from brokers who stress about it. Service calls in June aren't maintenance windows, they're buying signals. When someone brings their boat in, they're already thinking upgrade. Walk the service bay, listen to their frustrations, and you'll close the deal. That's how top brokers turn maintenance into sales. Most brokers miss it. 72% of June service appointments never trigger a sales conversation. Yet 34% of those same customers buy within 90 days. Your service bay isn't maintenance, it's your highest conversion showroom. BoatLife.ai tracks these customers automatically. Your system went to sleep Tuesday. Your buyer didn't. Post-Memorial Day, serious prospects keep researching while you decompress. BoatLife.ai never stops working. That's how you close deals your competition misses. While you rest after Memorial Day, competitor systems score every lead hitting their sites. Tuesday morning inquiry at 2 a.m., their AI responds in 3 minutes. Yours waits until 8 a.m. By then, the buyer's already engaged with 2 other brokers. BoatLife.ai never sleeps. Most brokers mentally check out after Memorial Day. Your competitors don't. Serious buyers research all week, they just prefer fewer crowds. Automated follow-up wins. BoatLife.ai keeps response times sharp while you rest. June's deals go to whoever stayed locked in. Memorial Day weekend feels like money, but the real deals close the week after. Serious buyers research without crowds, ready to move fast. While you decompress, AI systems capture every high-intent lead, respond instantly, and book Tuesday appointments. Your competitors aren't sleeping. BoatLife.ai keeps you closing deals when others check out. Your service bay is your sales floor. Mr. Thompson came in for a fuel pump. He left talking trade-in numbers on a 330 Express. One question changed everything. BoatLife.ai flags service customers as qualified leads before they walk out the door. Your service bay is a gold mine. 47 June appointments means 18 qualified prospects if you're systematic. While they're fixing their boat, they're calculating upgrades. BoatLife.ai keeps you top of mind during that window. That's where the deals happen. Elite brokers migrated platforms in April. Average brokers are still waiting. One system crash during peak season costs more than the entire migration. Top performers treat their sales system like boat engines. They don't gamble with summer revenue. Systems fail. People don't. But when DMs providers cut support staff during peak season, brokers lose both. AI-powered systems keep scoring leads and closing deals automatically, no human intervention required. While competitors wait on hold, your pipeline runs itself. That's the difference between surviving disruption and thriving through it. Service appointments aren't maintenance calls, they're buyer qualification sessions. Your customer's already thinking upgrade. That repair cost versus replacement decision, that's your opening. Recognize the signal, and BoatLife.ai helps you route that lead to close the deal faster. Service appointments aren't cost centers, they're buyer qualification goldmines. Post-Memorial Day, owners realize what their boat can't do. Elite brokers listen for upgrade motivation during maintenance calls, not push products. That conversation shift closes deals. BoatLife.ai helps you track and act on those moments. Tuesday morning, 9:47 a.m. A serious buyer inquires about upgrading their 32-footer. Your team sees it at lunch, responds at 3. Too late, a competitor's AI already qualified them, showed 3 matching boats, and won the deal. Post-Memorial Day chaos costs you sales you'll never see. BoatLife.ai doesn't sleep. Post-Memorial Day, your response time jumps 347%, while buyer volume stays flat. That 6-hour delay costs you 47% of conversions. BoatLife.ai responds in under 2 minutes, automatically. Your competitors aren't waiting. Elite brokers track velocity, not price averages. While competitors celebrated stable pricing in April, sample size collapsed 63%. Fewer boats sold. Inventory stacks. Spring misses become summer disasters. BoatLife.ai helps dealers spot velocity shifts before competitors do.